Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dava Kurniadono and my last NPM number is 077. Here I want to explain the topic about family and little share about my family. Okay, the first one is definition about family. Do you know what is family? Okay, the family is not just about being related by blood. It's about love, support, and acceptance, and love for who we are no matter what happens. Our family is the one and that stands by our side through the good or bad times. For me, maybe is family means having people who care about me and are always there when I need them. They are ones who teach me valuable lessons about life and help me become a better person every day. No, I want little share about my family. Maybe let me introduce my family to you. Okay, I live with my father, my mother, and my younger sister from child to adult. We are a small but very close family. Okay, I have one sister and left just one good month from my mom, and now I live also with my grandparents from my mom. Okay, uh, maybe I start from my parents. Okay, my father's name is Aris Yudono and he works as a employee at Gundharma University. He is 54 years old this year. He likes to tell jokes and even though sometimes they are not that funny, we still laugh. My mother's name is Dio Kurniawati and she is also a worker. She always knows what to say when I'm feeling down and she also makes the best food ever. Okay, and last there is my siblings. There is my younger sister. Her name is Sosabila. She is still in vocational high school in design communication and visual major. Even though she can be annoying sometimes, I know she cares about maybe. Okay, next maybe I want to share about family traditions. Uh, Usually maybe we can celebrating every person of us of our birthdays with eat meat all together in the night or and we can celebrate birthdays with make homemade cake tradition. Okay, next family bonding. I'm sure what I love the most about my family is how we spend time together. Every night we always have gathered together. Sometimes we watch film. Sometimes I play PlayStation with my father, or another maybe I play football with him, and he teach us about it is uh, how play football. That's true. And one of my favorite memory is when we went on the family vacation to Mini Park. Now we had so much fun exploring every games in there, trying new foods and taking pictures together. The trip made me realize how lucky I am to have such a loving family. Okay, challenge and next is challenge and lessons in the family. Maybe of course, my family is not perfect. We have had our share of arguments and misunderstanding, but What makes us strong is that we always find a way to solve our problems together. Okay, next maybe is the importance of family. Okay, I want to explain about the importance of family. Family is very important because they are the people who know you the best and still love you unconditionally. They are the ones who wants only maybe who see your flaws but accept you anyway. Having a strong family gives you confidence and strength to face any challenge in life. Okay, maybe that is all, yeah, about the explain about family, yeah. And here the conclusion from me. In conclusion, my family means of strength, happiness, and motivation. I'm truly grateful for the love and support they give me every day. I hope that we all take a moment to appreciate our families and never take them for granted. Because at the end of the day, family is not just an important thing, it's everything. Thank you for learning about my family. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.